everybody, this is AT, and today we're going to be working on the Prelude again. Obviously it never ends, and today is going to be the day where we're going to be fabricating the downpipe for the Prelude. A buddy of mine is here, he's helping me with the welding. Apparently we ran short of some of the materials, so we're just running down to CT, Canadian Tire, picking up all the materials, and we'll be back at it, so stay tuned. Get back to 100 in a sec. There you go. See that? 100. We're gonna keep it at 100 now. No cruise control.
No cruise control.
No cruise control, boys.
Tell us what you got. What do we get?
You like my pipe?
What's in the bag, bro?
It's all the pipes, yo. Let's check it out.
Let's see. Trick or treat.
Some disky. Little disky. Oh, 2.5 to 3 adapter. What's that? 2.5 to 2/3 adapter.
Okay.
Just adapter. Just adapter.
Are we walking now? Let's go.
Alright, so now we're all set up. We got all the piping needs we needed for fabricating the exhaust downpipe for the Prelude. So what we have here is the GTR stock mid pipe. It's basically like the long pipe that runs in the middle section of an R35 GTR. I have some extra parts lying around, so we're going to use this pipe to make pie cuts, and I'm gonna fabricate with the rest of the stuff we got from Canadian Tire. So we got the markings down there, just so you know. We wanted like a flat piece of piping, like a straight piece of piping. So we got that, and then Sean's gonna make it happen.
Yeah, dog.
You ready? Let's get it. We have that's going to be a leftover piping that we probably won't need. We're trying to get the straight section out of the way. Get it ready. Get it ready.
Right. Okay, so we're doing pie cuts now. So I guess best way that I know how to measure it is, in this case, the pipe's 3 inches. So we're going to get some 3 inch this way, and then we want the half line along this way, so 1.5 inches up. We'll mark a line all the way across, 90 and, or I guess 180 out, 180 out from each other.
So we got the lines now at 180, right?
Yeah, so
on both
now,
sides.
when you're cutting it now, right? Cut it that way, and then you flip it over to the other side and line up that line with your marks on your sawzall. Or your
nice.
saw, and then you cut back, you know what I mean? So
you get like cones basically, and then
much,
you line them up to make a 90.
It helps you orient the pies, I guess.
Nice. Cuts done. We made a little sample to see how it's going to look like, and I'm going to test it out on the car, and I'm going to come back at it tomorrow and finish the final welds on it. So let's see. I'm going to let me come over here. Right. So basically right there, and the downpipe. It's a straight pipe down after the pie cuts, and it should be ready.
Pretty much there almost.
Nice. Alright boys, that concludes the night. We're going to come back at it tomorrow, and we are going to finish this mock-up for sure. Rob, you didn't show up to the camera today, bro. What's going on?
I was busy grinding.
That's sick. Thanks, Sean. If you guys don't know Sean, he's my Honda boy, my main Honda clutch, yo. Go follow him. I'll link up his Instagram account right under. That's his Instagram. Everybody crowd his Instagram because he's a G. All right, so that concludes tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Go.